Alright, today I'll be showing you how to make an origami folding knife. Alright, all you need to make this is a piece of origami paper. Alright, let's go with this camera. Alright, first take your sheet, origami paper. Alright, then what you're going to do is fold it upwards. So you make a triangle. Alright. See, so you get this. Now what you're going to do is open it. Turn it around on the blue side. Then fold it inwards on one corner to the line. See? And fold it inwards so it'll look like a kite. And do the same with the other side. See, so you have this. Now what you're going to do is fold this corner inwards. Alright, I'll show you that. See? So it's like a triangle downwards. So you have this other white triangle. Now fold the other corner inwards. So you get this. Now what you're going to do is turn it around. And you want to fold this piece inwards. So you see that blue and this. So that white piece you folded in front will be in the back. Right. Do that. See? So you get this. Then do the same exact thing with the other side. Alright. See? Alright, now what you're going to do is fold it inwards. Fold this over again to the white line, so I'll show you what I mean. See, this part is like this. Fold it down to that line you creased it on. Then do the same exact thing with the other side. Alright. See, so you get this. Now what you're gonna do is just take this and fold it upwards. Alright, hold on. See? So this triangle is up. See, you almost got your knife. Now what you're gonna do is fold this tip downwards a little bit, like this. See? Now what you're gonna do is fold one of this corner like you're folding an airplane downwards. See, so it's like that. Then do the same exact thing with the other side. See? So you got that. Now close it. See it? Now close it. It's like this. And there you got your origami folding knife. Alright, now what you want to do, since you got your knife, to make it fold, just take it, fold this part in the corner, so I'll show you whatever. Like this. Then just fold it up and turn it around and do the same exact thing. Alright, now just fold it downwards. Alright, now just fold it inwards. And you got your origami folding knife. Just pull it up. Now just to use it, just open it, pull it up, and then just close it. See? And that's your origami folding knife. Alright guys, see you later.